Welcome everyone back to the channel. Today I wanted to do a video about a really cool quad that I've had for some time now. It's called the Jjrc H49 Soul, as you can see right there. It's an ultra thin foldable drone and it's pretty cool. Now this is not an unboxing. I've had this for some time, so it's been used. So if you see any scratches or whatever on it, then just know that it's a used drone. So let me start showing you guys what we have in here. So you open the box, it comes with the manual. Always with any drone that you buy, it's always good to go through the manual before operating it. So that's that. You have the controller, which is nice, thin, compact. It's 1.8 centimeters thick. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty cool. I'll go through the functions in a bit. So that's one thing. Now you remove this little tab here and you have the drone itself. This is, I believe, was 0.95 centimeters thick. And what's really cool about it, if you can see these two buttons here on the sides, when you press those, it's like a switchblade function. So if I put them back in like so, they just go right back in really easily. And I press it again. How cool is that? So this does have a camera as well, right here, and it is a 720 HD camera. Don't expect DJI quality out of it, but it's fun for an indoor quad. Like if you're stuck at home, you can't fly your big quads on a winter day, and you just turn this on and fly it around. So remove this tab here, and here you have your USB charger and some extra props with a little tool that helps you remove and install the props. First, I'm going to start with the controller. The controller is pretty nice. As you can see here, these joysticks are not like your regular gimbal joysticks where they stick out, but they are really nice and smooth. They are spring-loaded, which, by the way, this little thing has altitude hold. So it has a little miniature barometer. So every time you fly up, it stays in that position. Anywhere you go up and down, it stays and holds in that altitude position. You have the start and turn off button. So if you press it once quickly, it'll turn on, it'll arm the motors and take off. And if you leave your hand on it for 2 seconds, it'll turn it off as an emergency stop. These buttons here are your fine-tuning or trimming buttons. So you have your forward and backward trimming and your your left and rightward trimming buttons. These two buttons here, one is for calibrating the drone and the other one is for I forgot which one is that, but anyway, I'll get back to that one now. This here is a headless mode, and this here is one key return home. So you press that and it'll return back to where it took off. This here is your flip button. So you keep your hand pressed here like that, and you move the right joystick in whichever direction, and it'll flip in that direction. Here's your power on and off button and your LED indicator light. I'm gonna turn that off. Here in the back, it does take two AAA batteries. So that's that. And let me see 1 second. I wanted to check which button was that first one. Okay, so this one is the high and low speeds. This top one right here. The thing about it, it's kind of hard to distinguish which button is which, so you might want to label them with a paper or something so you can, be familiar with which buttons are what and what functions do they perform. Really nice. Has these miniature brushed motors, which are pretty cool. These are really nice props. They're flexible, so they won't break easily, and they're easy to remove and install. So I'm going to turn on the drone 1 second so you can see the lights. So as you see, it's blinking on and off. Now the blue lights is the front, and obviously the red are the back. So I'm going to turn on the controller, take the left throttle stick, and you go up and down twice. So basically once up, once down, and you've paired the controller to the drone. Now if I press this, it'll arm itself and automatically take off. I'm not going to do that right now, but I just wanted to show you guys that. So I'm going to turn it off. Now to charge this thing, all you do is you just, again, your USB charger, you connect it here like that, and this goes into your computer or into some sort of phone charger that you can, you know, just connect to it and charge it faster that way. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, if you guys want to check it out, I left some links below. And to those who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I just saw that I've overpassed 500 subscribers, so that's really cool, and I appreciate all of the support. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.